Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Monday, October the 16th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your room. Any email or any questions you have for me, you can use this email address. If you want to log into our room, just follow this link. You'll be sent an email. You'll create a password one time and you can come on into our room. It is a free room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas. This is a link you can use for a subscription, and typically I open the room at about 9 o'clock Eastern time. That's when I start to share my screen, and then I get live on the mic at about 9:05. All right, well, kind of a bit of a boring day for me anyway. Let's see, actually, sorry about that. I forgot to create a chart. Let me just create a chart. What did I do today? Oops. TEUM turned out to be an okay trade. This was from the from the momentum. Where did I get in at? 127. Got in at 127, right around here. And it probably on this candle right there, it got all the way up to 141. So on a percentage basis, not bad. And then, but I sold some at 136 and then basically got out flat as it came back down. The next trade I took was Bestie, and this was, oh, 1 second, please. All right, sorry about that. I actually had to get out of a trade. I had itis, and it's I don't know what's going to happen with this. I was in itis. I basically decided just to take this trade. It was so active the last couple of 3 weeks or so. Had the big pullback, sort of resting a little bit at a little pop. Then Friday, thought maybe it could regain some of this area. I was just looking for kind of a scalp. Got in at 309, just sold it at 298. So I'm out of the ITIS trade. Okay, so Bestie, BSTI. It's worked out okay. Again, look at the daily. This is a recent IPO, and I had a price alert set for a 12 break, a break on 12. So it did break on 12. I got into the trade at 12:08, right about here. And geez, it popped all the way up very quickly too, 12:38. I'd love to say I got out right there. I actually got out very near the top, 12:36. But then as it came right back down, I got out for a very small profit on the last part, and now it's just completely drifted downwards. So no great shakes there. I am in Linu. Again, almost kind of a boring trade, or out of boredom. I mean, it may work. Let's take a look at the daily. This one, of course, had the huge day. I think was that Monday, or maybe that was a Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, so that was the Friday. Just kind of taking this one at 220 and seeing if it can, make a bit of a comeback. Still in this one, HEBT. I think you probably tell from my tone of my voice that I'm a little bit bored today. This again came from the momentum trade or momentum window, and this was the pop. Got into the trade. It was very difficult. It was, well, not, I shouldn't say so difficult, but I got in at 316, and then it just sat there for a long time. And I almost got out right there. If the bid had gone below 310, I was going to get out, and luckily it didn't, and then it popped up. So I took some out at 332. 332, right about there, and I'm holding on to the rest. And Holly was very quiet today. In fact, we didn't get the first trade until I think 11:35, which is kind of indicative of sort of the day it's been, in my opinion. I did try to do a short for NVCR. Didn't work out. Small loss. And what else happened? Yeah, that's about it. Earnings. Well, Alcoa, I guess, releases earnings this week, and that is going to really kick off a lot of interesting activity. For the balance of probably for the next 2 months. So I doubt if it's going to be this quiet, maybe for the first couple of days. And of course, next week we've got our open house. So please, or our test drive. So please For all those all of you out there who have always wanted to try us, you ask us if we have a free trial. Well, it's not exactly free. It's $8.88 for 5 trading days. It'll start on Monday. If you sign up now, you won't get any data, of course, until Monday, but you can actually download the program probably a couple of hours after the market closes on Friday. So you can actually download the program and play around with it. I mean, no data coming in, of course. The markets are closed. And then the data will start appearing around 7:30 in the morning Eastern time on Monday morning. So sign up for it. It's a great opportunity to test everything we have. It's all live, real time. Of course, the room is open. I'll be spending probably the most of the week trying to help people understand how to use the program and what it's all about. So please don't. We do it once a quarter, so this is the last one for this year. All right, well, that's about it. I say kind of a boring recap, but again, if you have any questions for me, just use this email address, and you can come into the trading room. Just set up an email. We'll send you an email. You'll set up an account, a password, one time. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to come into the room. We have a lot of great traders in the room. So I would encourage you to do that. I'll open the room at about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. And that's when I share my screen and then get live at about 9:05 on the mic. All right. Well, thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great evening. Bye-bye.